Hey guys, welcome back to the NFA Review channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Silencer Hybrid. The first time you saw a sneak peek at this suppressor was when I was down in the Keys with Silencer at their Max and Vice event. I never got to shoot it because I was not feeling too well. I didn't have my sea legs, and the Tactical Nomad, who's filming right now, had to step in and take care of business. So today you're going to see an up-close look at it, and you're going to see just how it performs. The Hybrid, as the name suggests, is Silencer's answer to the multi-use suppressor market. It's rated for pistols, submachine guns and rifles, and big bores. Not only is it rated for the big bores, but it's hearing safe on them as well. 4570 hearing safe, 458 SOCOM hearing safe, and small, compact, lightweight package. So pretty impressed with it there. Let's go ahead and roll in some specs for you. The Hybrid ships with a suppressor sock, a multi-use tool, 2 spanner wrenches, a piston housing with no included piston. You have to buy that separately. It does include the spring, and the 5/8 by 24 flat rear mount. The Hybrid comes in at 7.8 inches in length, 1.565 inches in diameter, and weighs only 12.2 ounces, which is pretty impressive considering it's rated for the big bore calibers that it is. In addition to the 5/8 by 24 direct thread mount, you have the ability to use the suppressor as a quick detach. This is the ASR system everyone's come to love from the Spec War series. To use it, thread it on till it shoulders, and then turn the locking collar, and your suppressor is now locked on tight and won't go anywhere. To assemble the piston housing, drop the piston into the housing, the spring on top of the piston, and then the retaining nut on the back. You'll have to push a little bit to get past the O-ring engagement. Tighten that down all the way, and then once that's tightened, your housing is ready to be dropped in to the rear mount of the Hybrid. Seat it all the way down, and then to assure that it stays on and stable while shooting, use one of the includer spanner wrenches. Get a good snug there, and ready to go try it on a pistol.
Train, compete, and play with Lumatic targets. The first live fire weapons training system that blurs the line between virtual game mechanics and real-world exercises for unparalleled immersion and engagement. Increase your training output with drills under pressure, multi-threat simulations, judgmental exercises, and more. Or go head-to-head and battle it out with games that test your competitive supremacy. Spend more time training and less time going downrange to reset targets. Based on the gamification engine from our Tapnetic line, Lumatic targets are controlled on the same app and operate on any iOS or Android device. The app features a menu of games and drills to choose from, or you can manually control each target yourself. Hit data and in-game feedback update in real time, and all metrics are logged so you can track your performance. Multiple games and drills have already been released. With updates just a download away, there are virtually endless ways to develop your perfect training program. The Autonomous Alloys target system is wireless and designed to adapt to any training environment. From a plate rack lineup at the range, a run and gun course in the desert, to urban combat in a shoot house. Designed to be flexible, our targets feature a quick release bracket system to make setup and course changes quick and effortless. Lumatic targets provide positive feedback that's virtually tactile, with instant illuminated hit responses. Our patent-pending lighting system uses a self-healing polymer reflector designed to withstand multiple strikes without even a sign of disruption. And replacement is as simple as press-fitting a new reflector in place. One of the aspects that make our target system so valuable to your training is that it can be utilized in any real-world environment with virtually any caliber. Go beyond marksmanship fundamentals and test your mettle against the most demanding, barrel-melting pressure cooker ever produced.
What does it mean to redefine an industry built on tradition?